So guys, we're going to attempt to make the Macmaster cocktail here, and these are the ingredients you need. You need lime, you need brown sugar, you need soda water, a can of Magners and fresh mint. You also need some vanilla, and the most important one, you need Jameson whiskey, which I have a litre bottle here, and when the Macmaster comes to Edinburgh, I'll be giving them this because I don't drink it apart from having it in cocktails. So there you go, Lee, you can have that on the house. Also, I have some ice. Now I recommend getting crushed ice, or if you didn't get crushed ice, just crunch it up yourself. It works better, trust me. So first of all guys, we are going to add the lime. Now they recommend 5, so we're going to add 5 bits of lime there. Second of all, we're going to add some brown sugar. Now I don't actually know how much brown sugar to put in, but we're just going to put in a wee bit more. Okay, that should be enough. And then we're going to add some vanilla. A couple of drops of vanilla. Now, next we're going to crush it. We're going to get the juices of this. I'll tell you what, you put the effort in, then this work is a workout. Okay guys, once we've crushed it, we're going to add the mint. This is fresh mint. I don't know how many I'm going to add, so I'll add a few. Okay, so we added fresh mint. Let's start it again. Okay, so now we've done that, we're going to get the ice. I'm sure that's right, I'll have a wee bit next to me to keep me right. So we're going to add the ice. So guys, we've added the ice to the drink, and now we're going to add the most important ingredient, and we're going to go for the 50ml, and we're going to add the Jameson whiskey. Smells good. So we're going to add this. Now this is a proper Tenerife. Oh god, that doesn't even feel like I got anywhere with that, but I'm just going to add a wee bit more. Okay. So that's a 50ml measure there, just a wee bit extra. So next we're going to add the Magners. Fresh can of Magners. And what did they say? Fill up about here. Okay, so now we've added the Magners, we are going to add the soda water. But technically this is tonic water because I forgot to get it, but it shouldn't matter much. So we're going to fill that up to the top. And we are going to stir. Stir, stir, stir. That looks good guys, eh? Now this does look like the same one. Okay, then we start and we finish it off with a couple of fresh lime. So there you have it guys, that is the Macmaster cocktail. Take a closer look. So guys, this is the finished product here, the Macmaster cocktail. There you go. Now we're going to give it a taste test. Tastes really good. Definitely recommend this cocktail guys, it's really nice. But definitely recommend this drink guys, definitely. So that was the Macmaster cocktail, guys. Quite simple to make at home, and you've probably got enough left over to make a few after that as well. It won't cost you much to make at home, but just make sure you get the right ingredients and you can make the cocktail roughly the same as having it in Tenerife without the weather, I suppose. But guys, it's been a pleasure making the Macmaster cocktail today. I just want to say thank you for tuning in and watching the video all the way to the end. It's much appreciated. If you can, put in the comments below if you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you've actually had the Macmaster cocktail. That would be actually good to hear. And any other comments you would like to put in regarding what would you like to see next. But I will be filming more Edinburgh vlogs coming soon. I just haven't been feeling myself lately, so I haven't had time to go into Edinburgh and film anything just now because I was a bit unwell. So if you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules.